Yes, good morning, children. So today, now we are going to discuss about that photosynthesis. Already we discussed that autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. In these, we need to be take that. So now, let us we need to be discuss about photosynthesis. So already we know that I have given a definition to a photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process which is having that in plants containing that green pigment. Already we know that chloroplast. In this chloroplast, chlorophyll pigment is present. It is green in color. Already we discussed about the three types of plastids, which is earlier. In these chloroplast have that chlorophyll pigment, it is present in especially plant. Due to this, the plants are manufacturing the food. So here now it is actually these plants can take that simple inorganic ones, which are carbon dioxide. It is present getting that from external environment, and water take from soil, sunlight. Through the sunlight it will get that energy. So using this sunlight as an energy resource, it is a very complexity and several, not only that, within these simple equation we cannot be find it out, but whereas many, while it is taking the process, several intermediate compounds also formed. So which is the basic of that? The several intermediate compounds will be moving on, and at the moment it can be formed that. So already many of the scientists, they had discovered much more about the photosynthesis to give a clear information. And whereas the formulated, many of the scientists are combined together and to give a simple equation to identify, to indicate that photosynthesis. Not only that within the 1 year or 2 years, it takes that over 200 years. So lastly, one of scientists in 1931, C.B. Van Nile, the scientist proposed proposed that equation. So actually what is that his opinion, what he given that his opinion, for each molecule of carbohydrate formed, actually whereas that the carbohydrates will be formed that series, the carbohydrates. So here what is that, the carbohydrates are formed, this is the carbohydrates. So here the carbohydrates are formed for each molecule of carbohydrate, 1 molecule of water and 1 molecule of oxygen is produced. And then what is that, 1 molecule of if you produce that, manufacturing that 1 molecule of carbohydrate, then now it is taking that 1 molecule of water and then 1 molecule of oxygen also is released. 1 molecule of oxygen is also released into the atmosphere. Then now through this photosynthesis is very complex process actually. We use these actually following this equation already, which is here mentioned that. So we know that the carbon dioxide and the water, they can take presence of light. It is chlorophyll. Sorry. That here down it is that, what is that, chlorophyll. So with these main components they can take from that, majorly they can take, and several intermediate compounds will be released and form that. So through these they can make into that carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, they can make it to the carbohydrate. At the moment, the water and oxygen also release. These are the, what is that? End products of photosynthesis. What are the end products of photosynthesis? Water and oxygen is the end product of the photosynthesis. Okay, then now we need to go with that. So actually, what would that reaction to show that glucose is being synthesized? Synthesized means it is a combining, nothing but it is a combining, join together it is that. So we need to be equation, balance that equation. Now before that, we need to take a chart that we need to take it the charge equals the balance that equation. So now we need to be find it out that instead of one of the scientists how oxygen is formed. Before that C.B. Van Zyl. So one more scientist also discovered about that. So how oxygen is formed. So now we need to be find it out. So what is this? So here Van Zyl first worked on purple sulfur bacteria. What is that actually? He observed that Van Zyl purple sulfur bacteria. So it is that here purple sulfur bacteria. Van Zyl first he worked on purple sulfur bacteria and found that light plays a specific role in photosynthesis. Instead of water, they used H2S. Instead of water, what is that? They used H2S as a starting material. What is that? As a starting material. Here, no oxygen is liberated during the photosynthesis instead of water. So what is that? What you have understood? Before that, in the C.B. Van Zyl, he first worked on purple sulfur bacteria and he found that light is a play role. That where is the lights? It play roles actually here. It is the chloroplast. Wait a second. This is the chloroplast. This is the chloroplast, this is the grana thylakoid. Later we will discuss about that. Stroma thylakoid and grana thylakoid it is there. So which has that just higher up here and the green in color it is a grana thylakoid, which is that innerly whitish color it is there, no? That is the stroma thylakoid. We will deeply discuss about that. So when the light is illuminated at the moment, so mostly that light is captured by the grana thylakoid only. They can take that grana thylakoid. So in these we will discuss much more in chloroplast at the moment. So at this point of that the water molecules are used. Here the C.B. Van Zyl, he has taken instead of water molecules, he has taken that H2S. So through the water molecules, the oxygen is liberated during the photosynthesis. Through the water molecules only, the oxygen is liberated. So instead of water molecule, he used only that H2S. So that is the reason the oxygen is not liberated. That. So here what are the elements are there? Hydrogen and sulfur. What is that H2S? Hydrogen and sulfur it is there. So later what is envisioned is a similar process of photosynthesis in a plant, and he proposed that, he mentioned the equation, and lastly the oxygen is liberated in the presence of water molecules. Through the water molecules only, the oxygen is liberated during the photosynthesis. It is discovered by Robert Hale. Robert Hill. So lastly the equation is formed. The equation is formed based on the Robert Hill. So this Robert Hill, one of is that in the light reaction we can give the clear explanation about that Robert Hill, so that this equation is discovered by Robert Hill. That is the reason we can call the equation is Hill's reaction. So later we will discuss about that Hill's reaction in light dependent reaction. In the light dependent reaction we can discuss about the Hill's reaction. So lastly the equation is formed both the scientists of Robert Hill and C.B. Van Nye. So this we given that equation. So it is known that the plant synthesized carbohydrates as a simpler ones first and form them. Then it is that the more complex one like starch and cellulose plants are also capable synthesized all of the compounds like proteins and fats. So first it is that in the simpler one, in the synthesized only the carbohydrates. The starch is also carbohydrate only, but whereas the carbohydrates are during the same manner. Okay, so the carbohydrates are formed together into making to the starch. It is a complex cellulose like it is making to different one. So animals are not capable of synthesizing carbohydrates. Because of that they do not have that chloroplast. So only that. If for example you have take that I got one doubt. So parrots are green in color. Can they do photosynthesis process? No. So why? Because in this, which animals are having that green in color, they cannot do that because they don't have any chloroplast. Chloroplast is not present. Okay, so that is the reason animals are not capable of synthesizing carbohydrates and they have to depend on plants for the same. Okay. So already what is that? Can we state that the photosynthesis is the basic energy source for most of the living world? Why? Why not? So I want this, what is the conclusion? I want this answer. So please mention this question. Can we state that photosynthesis is the basic energy source for most of the living world? Why? If it is why? If it is okay, then why? If it is not okay, then why not? Please mention it. Okay. So now let us we need to be discuss about that how the plants are prepare carbohydrates through the photosynthesis process. Let us we need to go with that activities. Based on this activity we can conclude that little information. Okay children, thank you.